Thanks so much for staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorwinAuto.com Valley Sky Cam, part of the Storm Team Sky Cam network. A bit of cloudiness out there, and that has had temperatures rise over the past few hours. Earlier this evening, we were in the single digits. We've gone up a few to 11. Feels more like -2. Winds out of the north-northwest at 9-10 at this hour. In Moorhead, -4 though up in Langdon. It's quite cold there. 2 in Devil's Lake, 3 in Valley City, 8 in Bemidji, 9 in Wadena, Roseau, Thief River Falls, and in the Wahpeton Breckenridge area. Still a bit of a breeze out of the north and the northwest. That is creating wind chills as cold as 16 below up in Langdon, -6 in Badette, 5 below in Bemidji, Roseau, Thief River Falls, and in Grand Forks. Cloud cover, it's kind of hard to see with the cold temperatures out there, but a little cloud cover along and east of the Red River. That area shrinking slowly in size. The radar not showing much in the way of precipitation, but can't rule out an isolated, very light flurry over the next few hours until those clouds get on out of here. A few more flurries in the Arrowhead of Minnesota, also up in the southern portions of Canada. Off towards the west, mainly quiet until you get to the Pacific Northwest. Some rain and higher elevation snows into the northeast. The big blizzard maker in the Central Plains, that now pinwheeling its way through the northeast. And that is dumping some heavy snow in parts of New England. For us, not going to have to deal with any heavy snow, but we're going to have to deal with some frigid temperatures overnight tonight, getting down into the single digits, and those clouds are going to linger until tomorrow morning across parts of Minnesota the way it looks right now. As we head through the day tomorrow, we're going to see some sun, but just like today, that sun not going to warm us up very much at all. Into the teens for highs. Late in the day, increasing clouds and increasing moisture. By late tomorrow evening, we start to see some snow, and jumping ahead as we head through the overnight hours and through the day on Wednesday, a chance for some snow, possibly mixing with or changing to freezing rain and sleet at times. And that slides on out of here. That ahead of some warmer air working into the valley, but as that moves on through on Wednesday, we will see some slick conditions in many areas. Keep that in mind, especially if traveling. 3 tomorrow morning here in Fargo, only up to 11 for your lunchtime, and then later on in the day, we'll top it out in the mid to upper teens. Picture of the day, Blue Jay treats in the form of some peanuts that you see right there. This in the Blanchard, North Dakota area. Thanks so much to Linda for sending this in. I'm going to use that as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. Cold Tuesday, and then kind of wintry. It could be rather slick for many areas on Wednesday with temperatures in the mid-20s. Behind that, though, warmer. How about some mid-30s for your Thursday and Friday? A touch colder on Saturday. Tailgaters, it'll be chilly, but not too bad at all. And then we're keeping our eyes on a chance for another big snowmaker Sunday into Monday. But at this point, models all over the place on that. We'll just continue to monitor that.
Keep us in the dark on that one.
Well, we'll hope to just completely avoid it.
Yeah, that too. Yeah. Thanks, Robert.
Mm-hmm.
We are